How to make money as a teen online? 7 easy ways. Hey guys, want to start making money online as a teen? Whether you need extra cash or want to build your own side hustle, today I'll share legit ways you can start earning online. No experience needed. Let's get into it. Number 1, freelancing. If you have skills like writing, video editing, graphic design, or even coding, you can offer your services on Fiverr or Upwork. Start small, build your portfolio, and soon you'll be making serious money. Number 2, selling digital products. Digital products are awesome because you create them once and sell them over and over. And digital products are by far the best and easiest way to start making money online as a teen. Here are some cool ideas you can sell on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, JVZoo, or even your own website. 1. Printable planners and journals. Ever noticed how people love using planners and journals to stay organized? Well, you can create and sell your own printable versions on Etsy or Gumroad. Think about daily planners, meal prep journals, fitness trackers, or even budgeting worksheets. For example, a teen named Sarah designed a simple habit tracker, uploaded it as a PDF, and started selling it for $5 each. Within a few months, she had hundreds of sales, all from a single digital file she made once. 2. Social media templates. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Social media influencers and small businesses are always looking for eye-catching graphics. If you have an eye for design, you can create and sell customizable templates for Instagram posts, TikTok thumbnails, or YouTube channel banners. Imagine this, a small business wants to promote a new product but doesn't have time to design posts. Instead of hiring an expensive designer, they buy a $10 template pack from you. It's an easy way to make passive income while helping creators level up their content. 3. E-books and guides. Have knowledge about a topic? Turn it into an ebook or a guide and sell it. This could be anything: study hacks, how to grow on social media, beginner fitness guides, or even a short fiction story. Take Jake, for example. He loved gaming and wrote an ebook on how to rank up fast in Fortnite. He sold it for $9.99 and promoted it in gaming forums and Discord servers. Soon, he was making money every day from a digital product he created once. 4. Music beats. If you're into music production, selling beats online is a great way to earn passive income. Rappers, YouTubers, and content creators are constantly looking for background music. Platforms like BeatStars or SoundCloud let you upload and sell beats easily. Take Marcus, a 16-year-old who made simple lo-fi beats using free software. He uploaded them to BeatStars and sold non-exclusive rights for $20 each. Within a few months, he had a steady stream of buyers. With just a few beats, he built an income doing what he loved: music. Gaming overlays and Twitch stream graphics. Gamers and streamers love to stand out, and custom overlays or Twitch stream graphics help them do just that. If you're good with Photoshop or Canva, you can design and sell overlays, animated alerts, or even full branding kits. For example, Emily, a 17-year-old artist, started making themed Twitch overlays and selling them on Etsy for $15 each. She even got custom requests from streamers who wanted a unique look. Over time, this side hustle turned into a serious income stream. 6. Stock photos and videos. Do you enjoy photography or making short clips? You can sell stock photos and videos on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pexels. Companies, bloggers, and marketers need high-quality visuals for their projects. Imagine this: you take a few aesthetic photos of your city, nature, or even your desk setup. Each time someone downloads one of your images, you get paid. The best part? You keep earning from the same photo again and again. Some teens have even turned this into a full-time gig by selling trendy and niche photos that brands love to use. The best part about selling digital products? You create them once and they can keep making you money without having to do extra work. Which one of these ideas are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you're good at designing, you can even sell Canva templates for businesses and influencers. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. Here's how it works. You promote a product using a special affiliate link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Some of the best platforms for affiliate marketing are Amazon Associates, great for everyday products; JVZoo AMP, ClickBank, perfect for digital products and software; Share Sale connects you with tons of brands. You can share affiliate links in YouTube videos, TikTok, Instagram, or even a blog. Number 4, starting a YouTube or TikTok channel. If you love making videos, start a YouTube or TikTok channel. Here's how you can monetize your content: YouTube ads. Once you reach 1,000 subs plus 4,000 watch hours, brand deals and sponsorships. Affiliate marketing, like we just talked about, selling your own merch or digital products. You don't need a million followers, just valuable content. Number 5, online tutoring and course creation. Are you good at school subjects, gaming, or even a hobby? You can tutor younger students online on Wisent or Cambly. Create and sell a mini course on Udemy or Teachable. For example, if you're great at math, English, or even video editing, why not teach others and make money? Number 6. Reselling and flipping items. Turn your old clothes, sneakers, or thrift finds into cash. Here's how: sell vintage or trendy clothes on Depop and Poshmark. Flip sneakers on StockX or GOAT. Resell gadgets or collectibles on eBay. Some people flip items for double or even triple the price. It's like turning your closet into a money machine. Print on demand AMP, drop shipping. Want to sell products without inventory? Try print on demand or drop shipping. Print on demand. Design t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or phone cases, and sell them on Teespring or Printify. Drop shipping, sell trending products on Shopify without holding any stock. Your supplier ships it directly to the customer. Both methods let you make money without worrying about packaging or shipping. That's 7 easy ways to make money online as a team. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more money-making tips. See you in the next one.